All right, so here's our prototype. I put that clamp on there. That's from the plumbing department, and I was hoping this side stand would, make it right. I was hoping this would line up with that. It's just a little bit off, so I might get some little ringing. I'll have to figure something out on that. Maybe a little rubber boot on top of this right here. Not too bad. Saw the pipe. I'm gonna fire it up and see if it starts. I haven't started it today, so this will be a cold start. I'll turn the fuel on, let that dump. And let's see, are we in neutral? Yeah, we are. Let's give it a little bit of choke. Make sure we're in run. Let's see what we got here.